After watching so many images on the internet using coconut shells, they are making a large amount of cups in various shapes. I decided to make my own. This is a shell I am using. It's just an ordinary shell without the three eyes. The three eyes part should not be used. The opposite side of the three eye part I am using. And these are the tools I'm using. I'm using an iron file. This is just a grinding wheel I made earlier in my videos, you can see that. And a lot of sandpaper I used. This sandpaper costs very less, about 20 rupees a meter, and it has quite a lot of uses. Okay, let's start. This is the condition of the shell after I used sandpaper for over a period of 2 hours or so. Making a coconut shell costs a lot of time. And it's really a total waste of time. You can see that throughout the video. I was filing it for quite a long time, and the dust seems to come again and again. No matter how much filing I do, the dust kept on coming and coming. It's really a waste of time. But anyhow, I didn't give up, and I kept on filing it continuously for days together. Whenever I had free time, I used to file the shell. This video is running at 8x speed, so you can't see much work done, but actually it took a lot of time. This is the condition of the shell after I used the grinding wheel. Actually, there was a small projection at the bottom of the shell. For that I used the grinding wheel to make it smooth. Even on the sides I used the grinding wheel. But anyhow, the dust kept on coming and coming. The more I sand, the more dust kept on coming. And without giving up, I started to use sandpaper again and again, but to no use. I don't know how they are getting the smoothness they are showing online. Actually, this took several days and around some 10 hours of sanding. Which is actually a total waste of time. ever try this at home. It's total waste. Then I decided to do a new thing to soften the shell. I decided to soak it in water completely and kept it for days together so that the shell softens and the filing would remove a lot of material and we can get a smooth shell. And actually I soaked it in water for around 10 days. And this is what it appears like after the 10th day. Seems like nothing changed. But the shell got a dark color actually after soaking in water. I wiped it with some tissue papers to remove the water completely and dry out the shell. Now the shell seems to have a lot of soft parts which can again be removed using sandpaper. Then I continued the earlier process and I got somewhat a clean shell. But still there are some coconut fibers left in the shell. I don't think it can be removed. And at last I got a very good finish. But the time it took is really very great. Hope you enjoy this video. Thanks for watching. But remember, never try this at home. This is totally a waste of time. See you all.